Okay guys, here we have the Blade 120 SR. It's a great fun little helicopter for the backyard. I have the advanced swash plate settings on it right now, and let's fly it. It really covers nice. It wants to just sit there. Like I can go hands off with it. It really does fly great. Now, ready? Let me get it nice and calm. It's the twin path. Ooh, it's gusting. Ready? Full hands off. The only thing is it's not very good. It can take wind. It won't take it as good as like the MCPX or the Blade 400, but it takes better than the Blade MCX.